Hey.
Is that better?
What's up, YouTube? We're back at McDonald's. Hey, Migo.
Cardi B and Offset meal.
We're doing the Cardi B offset meal for y'all today. It's a big one.
Starting with the large fry.
Large fries to split. Everything here is being split out of love today.
We're sharing.
We got the apple pie. Tangy barbecue sauce. More tangy barbecue sauce. Some ketchup packets.
Oh my god. Lots of tangy barbecue.
We got a cheeseburger. And last but not least, the QPC.
Some napkins. And then the two signature drinks, which are massive.
Oh yeah, can't forget.
Massive drink. Like,
we got a High C and a Coke. Some nice branding on all of it.
the branding is so cute.
We're a little late to Valentine's Day, but this is me and Miguel's Valentine's date. This is a date.
Having Cardi B offset meal with your crush
Sorry, Sita.
and your bestie.
Who you gonna bring? Your crush or your bestie?
Paper straw. That's a bummer.
I'm gonna open up some tangy barbecue just off the jump.
What would Cardi B have to say about a paper straw?
Didn't eat breakfast this morning, you guys. Saved it all up for this. It's like 2:30 p.m. I had to go save Miguel from
It's 3:30 actually.
from hell. Miguel went to hell this morning.
Jamaica Queens.
It was awful.
Shout out Jamaica Queens. Wow. I don't know the last time I had a high C.
Do you want to tell them about your new job?
I don't know how much I'm allowed to say, you know? I don't want to
Miguel's a watchdog.
violate any.
I feel like
I might have signed about.
we start small, right? Cheeseburger.
I don't know the last time I got just like a
Just the regular cheeseburger.
little baby cheeser.
Yeah. Like, are they saying that, like, Cardi B gets, like, the cheeseburger and Offset gets the quarter pounder?
I would assume so, right? But like,
Just the classic.
you got it.
Yep, you know, you got your cheese, pickles, onions, ketchup.
I wonder if like these guys are modding these and add barbecue sauce. You know, like, why would they give us so much tangy barbecue?
We're gonna dip it in the barbecue. That's good, though. If you don't eat until 3 p.m., just the plain cheeseburger hits.
It just tastes the exact same that it always has.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
I love the bread. The bread is, like, just so weird. It's, like, weirdly smooth. Like baby doll skin. We got the barbecue sauce on there.
tangy barbecue. I'm into it.
Try that with the barbecue for sure. And it's nice.
One pickle on this, and we've really avoided it up to this point.
That's the golden bite.
This pickle bite that we've been avoiding,
That's the magic center bite.
and I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on it.
Would never get high C, but it's pretty refreshing. So, two little fun facts. This meal was about $20, I'd say, right?
Yeah, let's look at the receipt.
$19 before tax or something.
That pickle bite, like you get the whole pickle in one bite, and I'm like, I didn't want the whole pickle at once, but can we see that? What's our total? 21, 52.
21. Not
Cardi
bad.
B offset
Not bad.
meal. 352 on February 27th.
I don't normally drink soda. That's like the one thing I would leave out of this meal, but for the Valentine's Day special,
You never get soda, period? Or
Not
high
usually,
C?
not really. I don't get soda.
I would get a Coke. Coke and a burger. That's an iconic combination.
And then this, it really looks different, honestly. The quarter pounder. It looks like a burger should look.
Let's compare. I just dipped it in ketchup, but
It's
let's
basically
compare.
the same thing. It's just bigger. Offset. Wait, this can be our little It looks a lot better though.
I mean, who's to say this isn't Cardi B's burger?
Pickles slipped in there last minute. Whole thing.
The pickles will slip in there. This does feel how a burger should feel.
Obviously, it's a step up, but I kind of like having the little one first. You can appreciate the bigger one. Another fun fact about this meal is it's 2,150 calories, according to the McDonald's website.
This burger patty is just like a real burger.
Mm-hmm.
The cheeseburger burger patty is like,
We're getting our macros.
can't actually be meat. This tastes like meat.
A little bit more.
I'm gonna go for a barbecue bite.
I feel like they claim some like random shit like 100% like USDA grade A beef or something.
Barbecue bite. On
What
the
does that even
QPC.
mean? Doesn't mean much anymore. Don't trust the USDA, that's for sure.
The barbecue on a burger is good.
The barbecue hits all around. And I hate having to squeeze out little packets.
Truly, like we're both avoiding it.
Fuck this.
There
I'll
you go.
just use the barbecue.
Wow,
I quit my job.
that's a big piece of.
My last day of work was on Friday. Feels good. Feels nice. The whole world is my oyster now.
It's a Monday afternoon.
We were pulling spirit animal tarot cards last night, and my path is the oyster. So, you know, hopefully we find out what that means.
What was your obstacle?
I'm taking 2 bites. We're going into puff puff pass.
Yeah, I took 2 as well,
Okay.
and I had the same puff puff pass. Was
That's
that
really good, you guys.
Did you get a barbecue bite?
This is really good. I fuck with this quarter pounder. There you go. Just had to say that.
Did you get a barbecue bite?
I did. They know if I did or not. I forgot already.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cardi B offset meal. Trying the Coke. So much better, you guys. Coke versus orange soda.
You're fucking with Coke.
Coca-Cola is fire. Is this Coca-Cola or Pepsi here?
It's Coke. No receipt. 1 large Coke.
Yup. Coke. Better than Pepsi. Coke is better than Pepsi.
The high C is getting old fast.
Pepsi is
Look,
for
there's even
Republicans.
Coca-Cola Loco on there.
Coke is for liberals. What do you guys think? Just like Miller Lite is for liberals, Bud Light is for Republicans.
Mr. Pibb is for socialists.
Yep. Pip is for libertarians.
That's better. That's better.
Magic Bite. Wait, did you eat this yet?
I had a bite. I had 1 bite. Back to 1 bite. Gotta keep things democratic.
I'm taking a center bite here, you guys. I'm having a good meal flow right now, and I just want to keep it going, you know?
Taking one for the team and undoing the ketchup packets.
Mmm.
Oh, we lost a little piece there.
Mmm. Fuck, you guys. We got a lot of pickle, a lot of that onion in that bite. That onion makes it pop. So good.
The onion is really good on there.
Yep.
They could put some onion on the cheeseburger. You know?
Where are we? Ridgewood?
We're in Glendale.
We're in Glendale, Queens right now. Great McDonald's. I looked in there. The crew looks good. It looks like a lot of responsible young people.
Owen was checking it out as we went through the drive-thru.
You gotta suss out who's making your food, because it makes all the difference. You put love into McDonald's, you're gonna make something good. Like, just as much as there are some really bad McDonald's. Most of them are good though.
Wow.
My last 10 days of work, I was in Chicago.
This is your last bite.
Doing a Samsung Galaxy ad in Chicago. And there was a McDonald's across the street from the wall that I was painting. And I went there every single morning. Miguel got literally this story at a dinner party last night, and so I'm just telling you guys, really.
McGriddle? No. Right?
Biscuit.
You were getting biscuits. Not
Mhm.
McMuffins, not McGriddles.
Sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. Bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. Steak, egg, and cheese biscuit is surprisingly fire. I don't know what it is, but it's good.
When you say egg, it's like the little puck egg, right? That they do?
Mhm.
They just have one kind of egg at McDonald's.
It's good though. But after 9 days, like, you feel bad about yourself. A lot of hash browns. I ate a lot of hash browns that week.
That's a great thing to be eating.
What do you think about that? Like me going to McDonald's like 9 times in 10 days.
I feel like when you're working and it's like your work lunch, it's like, or breakfast or whatever it was for you.
Breakfast.
There's
8
a lot.
a.m. It's cold out.
My whole like diet changes when I'm in that setting. I'm like, oh, I actually won't stop myself from getting the most convenient, cheap thing.
There was a Starbucks across the street that my coworkers were getting breakfast sandwiches at. And like for the price, McDonald's hits better.
I feel like Starbucks is more, smaller, and not as good.
They were getting the Impossible breakfast sandwich, which I like am intrigued by.
I've had it.
I literally didn't even try it.
Isn't it like $9 though?
Might be. I want to say in Chicago it was like $7. McDonald's was cheaper in Culver's too.
What was McDonald's, like $3?
In Culver's in Chicago.
We know what you meant.
Cheap. It was cheaper, like $3.50 for a breakfast sandwich instead of like maybe $5. What I'll say is we ran through this shit.
We have some fries left, but still,
we might need to do a nuggy run.
I think we might have to run through the drive-thru. But good to know that this is enough food for Cardi B and Offset. We haven't hit the pie yet. How often did you get a McDonald's apple pie?
Beautiful. So gorgeous.
He's gonna do it. So, how often did you get a McDonald's apple pie?
Not since I was a kid, to be fair. I haven't had a McDonald's apple pie
I need to cleanse my palate, sorry.
in so long. So long. Maybe I was 10.
Yeah,
14.
I think it's gotta be that long for me.
It's good.
Yeah, not gonna lie, that's really good.
Like for a really fast food, like dessert, this is good. I can only imagine like with some soft serve. Wow.
Yeah, this is fantastic. Really.
Gooey inside, nice and sweet, flaky dough. Like 8 out of 10.
It really is beautiful. I don't know if y'all can see that.
I was starving. I was so hungry.
I was stoned and starving. Look at this.
Gorgeous.
Is that
Gorgeous
okay?
shot. That was good.
The crust is flaky.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not even in the mood for an apple pie though.
Not often. Like a year or so ago.
You think Cardi's the one that gets the apple pie?
I wonder if they split it. I don't know. They didn't say much about it. Like, I feel like Cardi gets the orange soda. I don't know why.
Per. Orange soda per. You know?
But yeah, a lot of unknowns in the next coming months. Gonna be traveling a lot, so I'm going on a big road trip at the end of this month. So
Well,
like
end of March.
end of March. This is almost the beginning of March, but
We're ready for March.
gonna go on a long road trip to Texas. Probably gonna hit some good fast food and mukbangs on that. So
That'll
hopefully
be-
we can check in then.
That'll be good.
Mm-hmm. 2,000 calories.
This is our second McDonald's mukbang.
It's weird because I'm starving after this.
Have you done other McDonald's mukbangs?
I've done a lot of them, to be fair.
Yeah.
This, if not 3, this may be 4.
What are the other ones that come to mind?
One of my first mukbangs was Sita. If we scroll all the way down, maybe my first mukbang was Sita. The second one on this channel. That was a good one.
What was that?
We like just met each other. We didn't just meet each other. We just started dating. We were like a month into dating, like still pretty shy around each other. And we were driving from New York to Wisconsin, and she was gonna meet my whole family and go to my dad's wedding.
Remember that?
Iconic mukbang, not gonna lie. We were flirting a lot. It was cute.
That was your second mukbang?
After our McDonald's,
So your first two mukbangs?
Travie,
Or
and
McDonald's.
Charlie's. We're gonna have to fact check me on this, but I know one of the first ones was Sita at McDonald's. And then there's this one, obviously.
On a napkin?
Fuck, I don't know where the other one may be, but there might be one. I've done a lot of them.
I mean, it's pretty fucked that I'm still hungry right now.
What are we gonna get round 2? Going
Like-
back through, right?
Like, is it McDonald's that we need to get, or should we get something else? Because I'm just worried, like, I could eat McDonald's all day, because it's not gonna fill me up.
But
We
that's
definitely
why it's
don't need more
low-key
drinks.
addicting. We just had,
These are massive drinks.
so we just had like 46 grams of fat,
Let's chug these.
like
Ready?
200 or 300 grams of carbs. A lot of macros, and you're still just starving. Probably so much sugar. They put sugar in the buns.
If you say macros one more time.
Macros, macros, macros.
Oh my god, okay.
How do you like the car setup though?
The
for
car setup is
mukbangs?
good. I feel like the fans need to know about. Oh my god, really on the way. The setup there, like
Nice big table. Here.
clutch table that we just can operating table. And then wait, if you duck, do we see the arches behind you? No. The arches. We're right here in the parking lot. Just to give you a little
There they are.
sense of space.
Right, there. Great McDonald's.
What do I even want right now? How about nuggies and a McFlurry?
I'm here for the nuggies. Maybe we'll clock back in, but I gotta clock out for now. Bye. Thanks so much. Smash that like button.